एव्हरीवन, वेलकम टू प्रथा. दिस इज कविता कोपरकर. मध्ये वीकेंडला व्हिडिओज बनवू नाही शकले, त्याच्यामुळे आय हॅव अ लॉट ऑफ न्यू सारीज पेंडिंग हिअर दॅट आय वॉन्ट टू शो यू ऑल. स्टार्टिंग विथ टुडेज ब्युटिफुल कलेक्शन ऑफ zari checks gadwals. So these are pure silk handloom gadwals with checks woven in zari thread. Every combination is beautiful. Each and every saree is beautiful. So let's start seeing all the sarees. Today I'll be showing you these sarees in two videos. I'll be posting the videos back to back. Okay, because we have quite a few in stock. So let's begin. This is the first one, a very pretty ruby pink with blue, royal blue border. Ruby pink color ची साडी आहे, and this is the pallu. Okay, some of the sarees today have plain zari borders, some of them have zari lines on the border, some of them have just small zari stripes. So the border styles are slightly different. I'll just come a little closer so you all can see the fine zari checks woven in the saree. Okay, the zari checks are very very finely woven. There is temple at its border. So yes, so this is the saree. Please take a screenshot if you like it and send it to me on WhatsApp. This is the blouse. Some of the gadwals have the blouse on the outside. As all of you know, gadwals come in rolls. So I will try to show you blouse pieces of the sarees which have blouse pieces on the outer end of the roll. Okay, so this is the saree. Please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. A very fresh color. Okay, so the price range of today's sarees is 13,500 to 14,800. That's the price range. This is the next one, a beautiful lime green, parrot green as we call it. A very very beautiful color. This is the saree. The zari checks are slightly spaced away from each other than the first saree we saw. Again, it's a plain zari border, parrot green, lime green with black. That's the combination. And this is the beautiful zari pallu. Okay, this is the saree. Please take a screenshot if you like it and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next one is a very fresh kind of a combination. Lovely tree green, leafy green with a fresh orange border. Gorgeous saree. Just look at the finely woven zari checks. Beautiful zari checks on the saree. Also the border has nice temple design, and if you see closely, I'll just come a little, I don't remember if you saw, but the border also has finely woven zari checks. Okay, so yes, so this is the saree, a very pretty one. This is the lovely zari pallu. Okay, and this is the blouse. The blouse has fine zari lines on it. Just come a little close so you all can see it. Is that? Yeah. And as you see, the gadwal silk is extremely soft. It's very very easy to wear. They get draped very beautifully. So don't worry about how the sarees will look, whether they'll fluff up or no. Okay, this is the saree. Please take a screenshot if you like it and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next one is again a popular combination. Just come a little close. This one has very very finely woven zari checks. Okay, I hope you all can see the zari checks. Yeah, the border is on the plainer side. It has small zari lines, two zari lines running along the border. This is the saree. From a distance it might look plain, the saree might look plain, but it has very fine zari checks woven along the saree. And this is the pallu. Yellow and pink is a very popular combination. The quality of silk is really really good. Please take a screenshot if you like it and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next one is a pretty black with a mustard yellow border, mustard yellow and golden zari border. Just look at the saree. Very pretty one. Again, medium sized zari checks, not too closely placed. Because the zari checks are not too closely woven in this one, the black color stands out, right? Otherwise it might have looked too golden, or it might have looked towards tissue because the body color is black. So yes, so this is the saree and this is the lovely pallu. The pallu is not plain, it has gold zari work on it, zari weaving on it, and this is the blouse. The blouse has zari lines. Okay, so this is the saree. This is how the borders will look. Yeah, when they are draped. So please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next one is a deep blue. I think we can call this a midnight blue. It's a lovely shade of blue, almost navy blue. Very deep shade of blue with a ruby pink border. This is the saree. It has very finely woven zari checks. Beautiful zari checks all over the saree. The border is comparatively plainer. Yeah, and this is the pallu. Very pretty saree. Midnight blue and ruby pink, that's the combination. Please take a screenshot if you like it and send it to me on WhatsApp. Okay, let's move to the next one. The next one is a very pretty white. I was actually looking for a unusual combination in white with in zari checks Garhwal, because usually in Garhwals we get off-white and pink, off-white and red, off-white and maroon. We get those combinations. So I thought, why not bring a new combination. So this one is off-white with a firozi blue. Beautiful color. It has closely placed zari checks and the border also has zari lines on it. Yeah. This is the saree. Beautiful combination. Please take a screenshot if you like it and send it to me on WhatsApp. This is the grand pallu. Very grand looking saree. आपल्याकडे काही वेडिंग्समध्ये एखाद्या ओकेजनला व्हाईट साडी गिफ्ट करतात किंवा व्हाईट साडी नेसतात आणि महाराष्ट्रामध्ये मुंज हे एक फंक्शन असतं, मुलांची मुंज असते तेव्हा पण व्हाईट साडीच नेसायची असते एका पर्टिक्युलर रिच्युअलसाठी. सो अशा वेळेसाठी तुम्हाला व्हाईट साडीज घ्यायच्या असतील तर हे अनयुजुअल कॉम्बिनेशन्स तुम्ही ट्राय करू शकता. सो एनिवे, सो दिस इज द ब्लाउज ऑफ द साडी. द ब्लाउज ऑल्सो हॅज व्हेरी फाईन जरी लाईन्स ऑन इट. ओके, अँड दिस इज द pallu. Please take a screenshot if you like it and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. The next one is again a first time combination. I had this combination in Irkal. Okay, it's a beautiful grey with a pink border. A very nice combination, and just see how soft and soothing the saree is. Beautiful combination. This is the pallu. Yeah, I'll just come a little close so you all can see the zari checks. Is that? And this is the border. Border also has checks. This is the saree. Please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. As I told you before, the price range of these sarees is 13,500 to 14,800. That's the price range. Please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Okay? Last saree. Okay, so this is the next one. A very beautiful pink with firozi blue. Again, a beautiful saree. I'll just come a little close so you can see the zari checks, finely woven zari checks, and this is the border. See, this is the saree and this is the lovely pallu. I'll just show you the pallu. Okay, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. So yes, so this was our Zari Checks Garhwal video. I'm coming up with one more video. Please stay tuned. Thank you.